Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here, and this one video is about first impression of this charcoal mask cream. Okay, as you must know that Raksha Bandhan season has started now, and it's the week to pamper our skin. Our face attracts a lot attention than any other part of our body. So I'm starting from my face. I'm gonna first care of my face, then I move to my hairs, and then my hands, then to my feet. Before the day of the Raksha Bandhan, I will tell you how to glow from your head to your toe all over. So let's get started. So I'm starting with this product is the Face Tech Charcoal Mask Cream Anti Blackheads for all skin types, and the product is 120 grams. It retailed me 180 rupees. So here is the actual product, and this is how it looks like. There is a lots of information is given at the back of the product, but I'm going through only two direction for use. Wash face, pat skin dry, apply all over face, gently remove the mask, use at least once a week. Okay. Key ingredients: charcoal extract, neem extract, grape seeds oil. Caution: avoid contact with eyes. So this is the information which is actually important to you as for me. Now I'm gonna start with applying it. Its cap is a bit tight. Okay. Its smell is good, not that bad. Actually, I like it. I'm not really. So guys, I'm done with applying it, and let's wait for a couple of minutes to get it dry, and then we will see whether it works on my kind of skin or not. Although I viewed so many videos over Instagram and over YouTube and over Facebook that yes, it actually removes blackheads, it actually works, but I never saw anyone using on acne, directly on acne. They use on clean skin, like they're having no acne, no acne scars or something like that, but I actually have an acne scars too. So that's why it's most important to know whether it actually works on acne or not. Although it works on clear skin, I know that I viewed it on internet. So let's wait and see, and let's hope for the best. So guys, I'm back and I'm ready to give my opinion over this product. As you know, this was first time I used, and it's a first impression review to know whether it's a hit or a shit on acne. I tried it directly on my acne area as well as on my scars. Whether it doesn't do anything on my acne and to my scars, but yes, it does remove blackheads and whiteheads from my face, which is a plus point. Another thing is it is super affordable, like I got it in 180 bucks. That is all. About the satisfaction level, I am satisfied. I'm not saying that I'm super satisfied or I'm feeling out of this world about this product. No, not at all. It's just okay product. Like, I'm not regret buying it and I'm not super happy. Okay, it does work, but it doesn't do anything to my acne, and my acne scar is good. It may be possible it will work in future with the continuation. If I keep it in continuation, then okay. And if I got any positive result, then I will let you know in future videos. From my side, if you wanted to give it a try, I would like to suggest you, yes, you can give it a try. If you have any query, any request, if you wanted to ask anything to me, just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And I will leave my all social media link in the description box. You can check that out, and do not forget to follow me over all the social medias. And I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time,